Hi, I'm Ismail from Pelema. A situation many SEO professionals encounter is when they create and optimize a specific landing page for a keyword, but instead of ranking that page, the search engine ranks the home page. This can be confusing, especially when the optimized page clearly targets the keyword more directly. Search engines like Google sometimes select the homepage because other signals make it appear more relevant or authoritative. Understanding why this happens is important because it helps diagnose issues in the site structure, internal linking, and topical signals. In this lesson, we'll look at the most common reasons this happens and how to address it. So, the first reason this happens is something we call homepage authority bias. In many websites, the homepages receives majority of external backlinks. It usually sits at the center of the internal linking structure, meaning many pages link back to it. Because of all these signals, the homepage often becomes the strongest page on the site from an authority perspective. If the search engine sees the homepage as the most authoritative page relevant to a keyword, it may choose to rank that page instead of a deeper landing page. Another reason is internal signals. Search engines use internal links to understand which pages in a site are the most relevant for certain topics. If many pages link to the homepage using keyword related context, the search engine may interpret the homepage as the main page for this topic. At the same time, the optimized landing page might have fewer internal links pointing to it. In this situation, internal linking structure unintentionally tells the search engine that the homepage is the more important page. Another common issue is keyword cannibalization. This occurs when multiple pages on the same site target the same keyword or closely related keywords. If both the homepage and the optimized landing page contain strong signals for the same query, the search engine must choose one. Sometimes the homepage wins simply because it has stronger authority signals. This can lead to the optimized page being ignored, even though it was specifically created for that keyword. Search engines also evaluate topical relevance and intent matching. If the landing page does not clearly demonstrate that it is the best resource for a particular query, the search engine may fall back to another page that appears more generally relevant. Sometimes the homepage includes broader information about a service or topic, which may align better with the perceived intent. When this happens, the search engine may decide that the homepage is actually the better page to show. To solve this issue, SEO professionals usually focus on strengthening the signals pointing to the intended page. One approach is to increase the internal links pointing to the target page, especially from relevant articles or category pages. This can also help reduce keyword overlap between the homepage and the landing page so that the page is the clearer topical focus. Improving the content and structure of the landing page can make it more aligned with the search intent. To summarize, when the homepage ranks instead of the page you optimized, it usually means the search engine believes the homepage has stronger signals for that query. These signals may include authority, internal linking patterns, and topical relevance. By improving internal links, clarifying page focus, and reducing keyword overlap, you can guide search engines towards ranking the intended page. Understanding this behavior is an important part of diagnosing real world SEO ranking issues. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.